All right, these are solid stools. They are a little taller, especially for a little bar center or tables that we have an island here. Now, I'm about 250 on this one, and these are nice, sturdy, made of real wood and material. It has a back. So one thing that I didn't like about my old chairs, didn't have that. It was just flat and it was dangerous. You could fall back. Now this one has a long area where you could rest your back and sit straight. Now, one of the things I like about it, it took me about 20 minutes to put this thing together. All the tools necessary were in the instructions also too. And they just, the two of them at the same time, we completed them and here they are. So if you guys are looking for a great pair of chairs, this could be it. This is real wood. I just want you to know that there's real wood. It does come with an Allen wrench that you need to set up. The instructions were very intuitive. Now, the only metal part will be the actual main part where it actually holds the entire frame. Now, when you get it out of the box, everything was well packed. It weighs about over 30 pounds, so you might need some help. And we put them together at the same time. As I was working on this one, somebody was working on that one. They gave you 2 packs of instructions and Allen wrenches that you can put them together. Now, this one, if it ever gets dirty, easy to clean, all right? They have different various colors, and this is the size that we have. This is a little taller for the kitchen because we have an island here. And if we want, we could even pair it with our table. Our table is about the same size as this. So now, if you find it unbalanced, they give you some little footstools that you could actually thread in there and lower them down or decrease them or increase them so you could balance it out in case you have uneven floors. Other than that, these are great pairs. Like I said, different colors, beautiful woodwork, easy to assemble. I hope you guys enjoy the video.